So in this video, we'll be getting formula from maths data. The easiest way to explain this is with examples and a quick step-by-step guide, and then there's one question for you to do at the end. So here we have 3.2 grams of S, sulfur, which reacts with O, oxygen, and forms 6.4 grams of substance X. If you could tell me what substance X is at the end, I'll be very pleased. What will the formula be? Well, first we have this is straight from BBC Bitesize. There's a link to it at the end of this slide. So if you need another explanation, it's right there. And if you want to do more questions like this, it's there as well. So writing out the element symbols, so S, sulfur, O, oxygen, and write out the mass as well. You know from the question we got 3.2 grams sulfur, but then we have 6.4 grams of substance X. 6.4 minus 3.2, because we have 3.2 grams of sulfur, gives us 3.2 grams of O, oxygen. And then we write up the atomic values. Sulfur, 32, oxygen, 16. And then divide the masses by that, and then you have 3.2 divided by 32, 0.1, 3.2 divided by 16, 0.2. And then you need to divide the results from here by the smallest number that you got from the results. So 0.1 divided by 0.1 equals 1, 0.2 divided by 0.1 equals 2, meaning we have 1 atom of sulfur and 1 atom of oxygen. No, not 1 atom, 2, sorry. And 2 atoms of oxygen, giving us SO2, which is sulfur dioxide. And then in this example that I've given you here, you've got 12 grams of carbon burning in air, which react with oxygen, forming 44 grams of CO2. How much carbon would be needed to make 11 grams of CO2? And then you should, or your teacher should have the PowerPoint, and then there's a link there to go through the answer with you. And if you need any more examples of something like this to go through more questions, to hone in your ability to do these kinds of questions.